Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. This is my first vlog on my YouTube channel, so kindly support me and subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Warda Syed. I'm from Kanpur and I'm in my last year of my school life. It means I'm in 12th. So right now I'm studying computer for my pre-board. Tomorrow is my last board. So take out your books and study with me. Class is a data type that collects. Class is a data type that collects data variables and their methods. A class is like a template or a blueprint that defines property and behavior correctly. An object is a configuration of a class that refers to data and behavior according to the rules and method of the class. Predefined and user-defined. Predefined. Some classes have already been defined. We use them type their program and use the property method. The type string. User-defined classes. We define these classes ourselves. We can create these classes as well and usually define properties and methods. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means placing one or more elements together in a shell or covering a covering. Thus encapsulation, thus enclosing something in a capsule is called encapsulation. The property of encapsulation is OOP means collecting data and functions sitting in one place. Inheritance means received by inheritance. Under this property, the class can inherit all its properties to the another class. This means that one class can contain all the data. Items and information of an function and data operator element are capable of behaving different function something data operator function data and operator are capable of behaving different in different circumstances. For example, an operator adds two numbers, but in special circumstances in the program it can add two strings or any two objects or returns. Very important. Method overloading. Similar to method overloading, a method can be overloaded. Overloading a method means making a method need to perform. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my vlog. So kindly subscribe to my channel for more such vlog and daily vlogs also. Allah Hafiz.